Hey friends, welcome to Irini's Corner. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet this easy pattern. This pattern is a repetition of 2 rows and we're going to need 2 different color of yarn. I'm using Caron Simply Soft with 5mm hook. To start, crochet any number of stitches that you want to start with. To begin row 1, skip the first stitch from the hook and start crocheting a half double crochet into the second stitch. A half double crochet is made by yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch, pull a loop, and then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops at once. And we're gonna repeat this till the end of the row where we're gonna do a color change. While doing the last stitch of the row, before finishing the stitch, make sure you change the color into color number 2 and pulling the last loop of the half double crochet with this color. Now to start the second row, we're gonna chain 1. Now to start the second row, we're gonna be working under both loops of the V-stitch as shown in the video. And we're gonna work a slip stitch. So we're gonna insert the hook under the 2 loops, yarn over and pull a loop and pull it through the loop you have on your hook. So yarn over, pull it through the loop. Yarn over and pull it through the loop. And keep repeating this until the end of the row. And at the end of this row, we're not doing any color change. We're sticking with our second color or color number 2. This is how the work looks like. So you will have the V-stitch of the half double crochet stitches of row 1 still showing, and your slip stitches are being formed on the side of these stitches. Now this is how the work looks like after you finish the second row. To start row number 3, I'm gonna stretch the loop on the hook a little bit to the height of a half double crochet stitch and then chain 1 and turn the work to the other side. Now I'm gonna be working not on into the slip stitches of row 2, but I will be working under the V-stitch of row 1. So the V-stitch of the half double crochet. So the hook will be coming out between the blue and the pink stitches. This way. So I'm gonna start doing half double crochet. Again, make sure you don't insert the hook into the pink stitches or the slip stitches. We're only working on top of the half double crochet stitches of row 1. And we're gonna finish the row with half double crochet until the last stitch. We're gonna switch back to color 1. Now let's pause and have a look on the pattern being formed. This is the right side of the work where the slip stitches are showing, and then on top of them there are half double crochet being worked. At the end of the row and before finishing the last stitch, make sure you switch to the blue color again, or color number 1 in your case. To start the next row, chain 1, and then row 4 is a repetition of row 2 but in a different color. So I'm gonna be doing slip stitches with my blue yarn. So the pattern is a repetition of rows 2 and 3, and we switch colors at the end of the half double crochet row, which is the odd number row of this pattern. So every odd number row, at the end of it, you switch to the other color. Now I've finished my slip stitch row. Now I'm gonna stretch the loop a little bit and then chain 1. And now I'm gonna start crocheting half double crochet stitches under the V of row number 3. So I'm always doing half double crochet under a V of a different color. So now I'm working with my blue yarn. I'm working under the V that is pink. At the end of the half double crochet row, while doing the last stitch, I'm switching to the next color, then chaining 1, and now I'm ready to repeat the 2 rows again. And this is what the pattern looks like after working more repeats of the 2 rows. This is the back side of it. And that is all for today. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and keep crocheting.